Government yenyika yeZimbabwe yazodzoka kureality manje. Kuna kuti mari yakashandisa 1.7 billion aiwa kumaintaina maroad paroad rehabilitation yaitika aiwa towards the SADC summit aiwa inoyasokutala ichiequator kune mari iri needed kubuilda maspaghetti roads munyika yeZimbabwe. Azviperi mushe sanapenda mashuka anobuda nyoko panapa muzara nhasi tiona vakomana aiwa vanoanalyza nyaya panapa vachachitaura kuti bosubscribe or like or turn on the bell kuti mina unamuka muchinzi the Zimbabwean government has come under intense scrutiny after it was reviewed that over 1.7 billion has been spent on the road rehabilitation projects in the run-up to the recently concluded Southern African Development Community SADC Summit. Transport Minister Felix Mona disclosed these figures, positioning the expenditure as part of government's broader effort to enhance national infrastructure. This announcement has sparked widespread public outrage, with many citizens questioning the accuracy and the necessity of such a exorbitant spend. Critics argue that the amount reported far exceeds the usual budget allocations for road maintenance, prompting allegations of corruption and financial mismanagement. One Facebook user, Moses Madungwe, expressed shock at the figures, suggesting that the amount is shocking and accusing government officials of inflating costs. He noted that the 1.7 billion figure is well over 350% of the ministry's annual budget and even 30% more than the national budget. According to Madungwe, such a sum should be enough to cover all roads across the country, not just those utilized for the summit. Chokwadi chakubuda pachena vatira masvika kuti aiwa vakomana ava zvangobuda pachena kuti aiwa mari yarohwa apa 1.7 billion vari kutaura inokwanisa kumaintaina roads dzese dziri munyika yeZimbabwe ngoti pachena kuti pakaita mismanagement necorruption mari yakalutiwa. Tudze mafungiro enyu motodiwa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.